Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-dual color swatches using the WooCommerce Variation Swatches plugin. This is incredibly useful if you're running an online store and want to display product variations like color combinations in a visually appealing way, making it easier for customers to see exactly what they're choosing. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account associated with your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Plugins, and an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find and install new functionality for your store. You'll now be on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar. Type in Variation Swatches and hit Enter. From the search results that appear, look specifically for the plugin called Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Click on More Details to view the overview of this plugin. Take a moment to read through its features and functions to understand what it offers. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as the plugin downloads and sets up. Once the installation is finished, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the plugin, your page will refresh automatically. Now, look again at your left navigation panel. Click on Products, and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Attributes. This is where you'll start creating a color attribute that will enable dual color swatches for your products. You'll see fields to fill in the name and slug. For easier identification, use color as both the name and slug. Under the Type drop-down menu, select Color. This setting tells the plugin that you're working with color variations specifically. Once you've filled in these details, click on Add Attribute. After the color attribute has been successfully added, look at the right side of your screen. Hover your cursor over the newly added attribute, and you'll see additional options appear. Click on Configure Terms to proceed to the next step. Now we're at the stage where you'll be adding the dual color attributes themselves. In the name field, enter two colors together, such as red, green, or blue, black. You'll notice that the color selector interface has been updated to include 3 color pickers. This allows you to add dual to multi-color swatches for each variation. Simply select the colors from the color picker that match the dual color name you entered. For example, if you typed red-green, pick red in the first selector and green in the second. Once you've selected your colors, click on Add New Color to save this variation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multi-dual color swatches using the WooCommerce Variation Swatches plugin. Your product pages will now display these color combinations in an attractive, easy-to-understand format that enhances the shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.